Hi, my name is Breno Zucchetti from METTLER TOLEDO. We at METTLER TOLEDO offer a wide range of automation solutions for UV Vis spectroscopy, ranging from single sample automation to fully automated, integrated workstations. When choosing the right automation solution for your specific needs, it is important to consider several aspects. The main ones being the throughput you desire, the sample of volume you have at your disposal, and the properties of that sample. When speaking of single sample automation, we can automate the analysis using peristaltic pumps. These are ideal to limit the exposure of operators to possibly hazardous samples and in general to reduce the number of manual steps needed to carry out the analysis. All you need to do is immerse the tube into the sample and the sample is transferred automatically to the flow cell for measurement. For the automation of smaller sample series, the cuvette changer is the ideal solution. It can be mounted on top of the instrument, is plug and play and doesn't increase the footprint of the complete system. It can accommodate up to 8 10mm cuvettes simultaneously, and these can be measured in under than 20 seconds. That makes it the ideal solution for quantification application, as you can load your calibration standards and your samples in the changer at the same time and measure them in one run. For the automation of larger sample series, we offer the in-motion autosamplers, which can automate the measurement of up to 303 samples. They come in 3 different base versions, the Flex, the Pro, and the Max, and each can be combined with different rack kits to accommodate different beaker sizes and different beaker numbers. The in-motion autosamplers can be combined with 2 sampling techniques, flow cells and immersion probes, by selecting the right sample kit. Here we see an in-motion system equipped with an immersion probe. The probe is lowered directly into the beaker for measurement, and that eliminates any sample transfer. In between samples, all rinsing and cleaning steps are carried out automatically by the system, and the complete workflow is controlled by the LabX laboratory software. Thanks to the set and forget approach, operator time can be reduced to up to 70% compared to manual workflows. Automation does not only apply to the measurement though. A lot can be gained by automating result calculation, their documentation and data management in general. The LabX laboratory software controls the complete workflow during the analysis. After the analysis is complete, the results are automatically calculated, documented and transferred seamlessly to a dedicated database. This significantly increases data security. For more insights in our automation solutions, consult the Spectroscopic Automation Guide or join the free on-demand webinar. If you require any further assistance, please consult your local METTLER TOLEDO representative for more guidance.